men talking about their families. Do you have a family? No, I'm not married yet. I have a girlfriend, though. We were in school together. How about you? Are you married? My wife and I are separated. Our 2 kids are living with her. How old are your kids? They're 10 and 13. What about your parents? My parents divorced 10 years ago. My mother is now living with her current husband in Milan. Is her husband Italian? Yeah, they used to work for the same company. You don't get along, right? Who? Me and my mom's husband? Not really. I never liked him. I keep in touch with my mother, though. How about you? Why are you separated from your wife? We've been having problems since forever. At some point the whole thing got out of hand and we just broke up. We decided that it's no good for our kids to see us fighting all the time. Well, maybe everything will be okay. I don't know. I was upset over it, but now I'm feeling much better. I see my kids every weekend. I know they're fine. Lesson 17. Asking on date. Hi, what are you up to this evening? No plans so far. Any suggestions? Let's go out for a drink. What do you say? I'd love to. There's a new bar open downtown. Yeah, whatever. I'm not doing anything tonight. I'm not doing anything this weekend. What about you? Me neither. There's a new movie coming out this weekend. Do you want to go see it? Sounds good. I have a commitment on Friday night, but I am good for Saturday. Great. What time do we meet on Saturday? Anytime after 1 p.m. What are your plans for the weekend? No plans so far. Any suggestions? I have 2 tickets to a rock concert. Do you want to go? That's a very good idea actually. How about Thursday afternoon? I'm not sure about Thursday. I have to look at my schedule again. Shoot, I left my day planner in my office. I will let you know later. Later. Hey, Thursday won't work, but I am free on Friday. Okay, let's meet on Friday then. What do you plan to do tonight? No plans so far. A new art exhibit is open in town. Do you want to go see it? Sounds good. When do you want to go? Tomorrow afternoon. I can pick you up from your office at 5. I won't be able to make it right at 5. I have a meeting with my boss until 5. Can we say 5:15? Sure, not a problem. I'll be waiting for you out front. Okay, I'll see you then. Let me take you out for dinner tonight. Sounds good. Do you know any good restaurants in the area? Do you like sushi? I know a nice sushi bar not far from here. I love sushi. Let's go there. What time do you finish work tonight? 6 o'clock. I'm afraid I won't make it by 6 o'clock. I can pick you up at 6:30. Great. Give me a call when you get here. It's a date. 2 friends on the phone. Hi, are we still on for dinner tonight? Yep. I got held up at work. I'm afraid I won't make it by 7 o'clock. Can we move it a bit? Not a problem. What time is best? How's 8 for you? Great. I'll meet you downstairs at 8. Hi, I'm sorry I can't make it to our date tonight. I have so much work to do. Not a problem. Let's move it to the weekend. Sounds good. Give me a call when you're free. Okay, I'll be in touch. Hi, I've been trying to track you down for the past 3 days. Where have you been? Sorry, I'm just super busy with work. We need to meet sometime this week. It'll have to wait a bit. I'm afraid I'm going to be very busy these next couple of weeks. Okay, stay in touch. Give me a call. Hi. Hi. We've never spoken, but I've seen you around this office for the past 4 months. You must be new here. That's right, I'm new. I started working here in January. What do you say if I take you out for a coffee after work today? That's nice of you. Thank you. I'd love to, but I'm seeing someone. Okay, if for some reason it doesn't work with this guy, let me know. Hey, are you going into town? Yeah, I am. In that case you can keep me company. Great. By the way, I've been meaning to ask you, do you want to get a drink sometime? To be honest, I've been waiting for you to ask. Seriously? Why on earth did I wait so long? Why don't we just turn this cab around and head home? Hi, how is it going? Fine. Listen, my friends bet that I couldn't pick up the most beautiful girl in this bar. Oh, is that right? What do you say we get some drinks with their money? Is this you being inventive? You are the hottest girl in this bar. I've been sitting there for 2 hours not listening to my friends' stupid conversations, unable to take my eyes off of you. You did not just say that. Let me buy you a drink. What do you want? Strawberry margarita with no salt. Do you come here often? I haven't seen you around. The truth is I have to prepare for my test tomorrow. I have to get going. I'm sure you can stay with me 10 more minutes.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.